Let's start our crochet lesson. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to crochet this cute Christmas tree ornament together. It's very easy. It's perfect for hanging on your bag or keychain. It also makes a perfect gift for family and friends. You'll also need a few keychains of your choice to attach it to. I'm using a 3.0mm hook and a pair of scissors, fabric glue, a yarn needle, stitch markers. For the yarn, I'm using a 4-ply yarn. We'll need 3 colors of yarn for this project. For a nice gradient effect, pick 3 shades that go from light to dark, or simply choose any 3 colors you love. Ready to begin? Let's go! Alright, let's grab the yarn in our lightest color. Watch closely how I'm holding the yarn. Insert the hook so it goes over the yarn, with the yarn under the hook. Next, pull the yarn through. We'll start by making 2 chain stitches. Now, we'll start working double crochet DC stitches. Yarn over, insert, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, then pull up a loop. Yarn over one last time and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's one complete double crochet. Great news! From this point on, all you need is a double crochet stitch. Pro tip for beginners, always mark your first stitch of each round. Now, let's continue working our double crochet stitches. For round 1, we will make 6 double crochet stitches. From this point, you can continue repeating the pattern on your own, at your own pace. And that completes our first round of 6 double crochets. Now, pull the loop to tighten it. To start the next round, insert your hook into the stitch where you placed your marker. Slip stitch to join. Now, chain 2. Make 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Watch carefully, especially if you're new. Always mark that very first stitch. Then, work another double crochet right here in the same stitch. And that right there is 1 increase 2 stitches made into 1. Continue around with DC ink in the next 5 streaks. Let me show you that one more time. For the next 4 increases, you can continue on your own. That's all 6 increases done. Next up is round 3, where we'll work a pretty edging. Begin with the slip stitch join. Now, chain 1. Then, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then, chain 2. Work another double crochet into that same stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. And that's one complete pattern repeat. The next 5 edging repeats are made in exactly the same way. And that makes 6 repeats in all. The rest are over to you. There we go. All 6 edging repeats are done. Sew straight to join in first, steady fasten off. That's the first layer done. For layer 2, rounds 1 and 2 are worked exactly the same as in layer 1. Now, give it a go on your own. You can do it. Moving on to round 3 of our second layer. Start by slip stitching into the first marked stitch. Now, chain 2. Right into the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. That's a double crochet increase. The pattern for this round is 1 double crochet, then 1 double crochet increase. For the next repeat, start with 1 double crochet in the following stitch. The pattern remains the same. 6 repeats in total. Go ahead and finish up this round by yourself. And that's round 3 complete, all 6 repeats done. Next up is round 4. The edging for this round is worked the same way as before. Start with a slip stitch join, followed by chain 1. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Now, chain 2. Then, work another double crochet into that same stitch. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch. Now it's all about repeating the same steps. You can finish the remaining repeats on your own. There are 8 in total. And that's layer 2 complete. For layer 3, rounds 1, 2, and 3 are worked exactly the same as in layer 2. I'll I'll let you take over from here. And that's the first 3 rounds of layer 3 done. Now for round 4. Begin by making a slip stitch to join, then chain 2 to start. Then, work 1 double crochet right into the same stitch. Next, work an increase in the following stitch, 2 double crochets in 1. In the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. The pattern for this round is 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, then 1 double crochet. Now, go ahead and work on this round by yourself. You will work 6 repeats in total. With round 4 finished, let's begin the edging for round 5. Same edging stitch pattern as before. Now, go ahead and finish the rest of the project on your own. That makes a total of 12 edging motifs. There we are. Layer 3 is all done. Now, we just need to glue all the pieces together. Here, mine is all finished. So cute, right? I'm so proud of how it came out. It looks so cute hanging on a bag. That's all for today's crochet lesson. Don't forget to show me yours in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.